Hello everybody and welcome back to another My Porch Prints video. This is Kyra and today I'm excited to announce the new journal series we're going to be having on our channel, which is the Build Your Own Junk Journal series. And this is going to be a series of 5 different tutorials, and by the end of it you should have one whole journal. So this is a great series for everybody, whether you are a beginner to junk journals or somebody who's been making them for a long time. You'll be able to get lots of new ideas or just craft along with me step by step and create an entire journal. So the first video is going to be 5 creative cover ideas, where I kind of walk you through 5 different ways to create a junk journal cover, and then we're going to be building one of our own. And then the follow-up video is going to be 5 things to add to your signatures. So this is going to help create layers and interest and kind of bulk out your journal a little bit. And then the next video is going to be 5 easy ways to add texture to your junk journal and your junk journal projects, just to give them a little bit more life and make them a little more interesting. The next video is going to be 5 ways to add movement. This is going to be a really fun video, so make sure that you don't miss out on this one, as well as the final video, which is going to be 5 clever illusions to try. So if you like adding illusions to your journal, this is going to be a great video for you. And then by the time we are done, you should have a complete journal. It's going to be nice and thick and full of really fun and wonderful things to see, while also leaving plenty of writing space. And this is going to be a no-sew junk journal for anyone interested. So I hope that you guys will join me for the Build Your Own Junk Journal tutorial series. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of these videos when they release, as well as future videos, tutorials, events, and freebies, things like that. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye!